If you are unprofitable or if you are tired of trading meme coins just to lose money right after, well, this video is specifically made for you because I've made a shit ton of money in the past couple of months purely from deving, and now I will be exposing my entire strategy from start to finish, okay, on exactly how to dev viral meme coins, okay? So without further ado, bro, let's get straight to the video and make sure to keep watching. Now, here's exactly why you have to completely switch to deving instead of trading. The truth is that most of these coins would just go to zero, and that's exactly why I hate trading. Because when I buy a coin, I just get completely dumped on minutes later by the dev. That's exactly why I became the dev myself. Because now I am the one that is launching these coins and then dumping on everyone and cashing out my money. Okay, I am the one as a dev, and the truth is that, okay, the devs are making way more than the traders. You can fact check that on me, bro. It's completely true because most devs, when they launch their coins, bro, they secretly own like 30 to 40% of the supply, which means if it makes $1,000, they can dump it and make like $500 on one coin, for example. And that's exactly why you have to start deving. I am making this video to show you exactly my deving strategy on how to find a narrative, how to launch it, how to create it, how to dump it. Everything will be done in this video. I will even do a live example for you guys to show you exactly how it works. So yeah, let's get straight to it. And by the way, bro, everything said in this video is purely for educational purposes only. I do not claim to be a financial advisor, so please do your own research and do what you can only afford. And yeah, bro, do your own research. Let's go. Yeah. Now look, here's exactly why most devs make like no money when they launch coins. It's because they are launching on Pump.Fun. Okay, by launching on Pump.Fun, you are opening up your coin to no opportunity. When a coin launches to Raydium, bro, it gets no attention because of the oversaturation. It's over competitive. Okay, there's too many competition. As you guys can see, bro, there's just coins coming out every single second on Pump.Fun. So if you make a coin, bro, no one will buy it, and yeah, you're just wasting your time. That's why you have to be launching coins on the Raydium DEX. It has more attention, more buyers, more visibility. When a coin graduates, bro, it fucking rips, and that's exactly what we are looking for when launching coins to Raydium. That's exactly why people are gatekeeping this method. Let me show you exactly how to launch a Raydium though. Do not use Pump.Fun to launch a Raydium because it will have to reach a migration price of $34,000 right here. Instead, use create meme.io. It's the best launchpad to create and launch meme coins because it goes to Raydium immediately, just like I said. That's why people are gatekeeping this launchpad, and that's why it's so fucking insane. Now here's exactly how to dev a meme coin on creatememe.io. There are multiple ways, bro. It's up to you to choose which one you are comfortable with. You could either create a coin from scratch, for example. If you have a name, symbol, and image, just like launching on Pump.Fun, you can make it here, or you can use the free extractor, right? You can just sit here and launch coins over and over again from viral tweets. And right now, bro, it's a perfect opportunity to start deving because on chain, bro, there is a lot of volume, coins are ripping, so I would highly recommend to use this feature to dev coins. Or you can use the one that I use every single day, and that is by copying trending coins already that are going viral. All these coins have a good narrative, they're all going viral, and they all have like a bunch of attention on it. Okay, they're proven to attract buyers. That's why we love copying these coins back to Raydium. Choose one or choose one that you like and relaunching it back to Raydium, and that's exactly how we make money from copying coins. Let me show you how it works though. Now guys, let's make a coin and then see how much we can make right now live on camera. Make sure to keep watching. It's going to be the craziest watch ever because you will see me make money from deving. Connect your Phantom wallet, click on refresh, and then your coin. Well, look for a coin to copy. First of all, just choose one. I'm gonna copy the coin, the core coin. Click on copy the Raydium. Your Phantom wallet is going to pop up. Ignore the block. Okay, it's safe. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be vamped. Just give it a bit of time for it to load in. And boom, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now here is where we create and allocate our supply for the Raydium liquidity pool. It's really simple, just follow along. It takes a couple seconds once you have the hang of it. Click on 90% right here for the amount of coins, for the amount of SOL. Here is where you will be buying some of your supply with your own Solana. Now look, you are not losing anything here since you are the creator. So if you want to exit, okay, you can, and it will come back straight to your Phantom wallet, okay, so it's not a big deal. Put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. You can just play around with it, but I'm going to personally put 0.3 SOL. At the end, once you exit, it will come back. Click on create pool. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up. Ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then go down and bang, the core coin is live. Your P&L is going to be right there. And if you want to see how much you're up now, click on refresh. And as you guys can see here, bro, 167 bucks is how much we are going to receive right now if we cash out. But we want to let this coin ride. Go on your chart to see your charts. Boom, it's live, okay? It's fucking moving. This is insane. I might even pitch in a couple bucks myself. Bang, I bought in. So we can see if we make money from trading on the side. Okay, let's see. Okay, we are getting a bunch of attention. Oh my god, so many people buying in. We're already at a 2k market, well, liquidity and 5.5k market cap. Things are looking insane. Let me just sell real quick. Bang, we made 1 SOL from trading. That is insane. A 50% gain, just like that, within a couple seconds. But we can make more from deving, okay? Let's see if it gets a bit more buyers. I'm gonna leave this coin run for a couple minutes. When I come back, I'll show you exactly how to cash out. You know what, bro? Let's cash out right now, bro, because I'm low-key hungry. I wanna go eat. Come back to create meme.io and then click on the refresh button to see how much you're up. And as you guys can see here, bro, we're up $2.43 in our P&L. This is insane. This is exactly why deving is so insane. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up. Come on, faster! Proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And boom, bro, that's exactly how to do it, bro. I just devved the coin in front of your fucking face. Look at my Phantom wallet, $2.43,000, 29 SOL. That's exactly how to do it from start to finish. I just showed you exactly the full blueprint. Take action right now. It's all for educational purposes only, but create meme.io will be linked down below. Peace out.